Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous video, we showed you the comparison between the old style of coding and the new styles. There are some, uh, it's always good for a programmer to keep himself updated with uh, the recent enhancement in the coding practices. And we showed you how it is simplified now, and there are not only that declaration thing, but there are so many other things also. We are going to give you some examples that how the latest coding practices are simplified. They improve the readability of the code, and also it has an impact on the performance. Uh, so the computer has not to do unnecessary execution of code, multiple statements, and or when one statement can do everything. So that increases the readability as well as the performance of the system. So let's get back to the Raman Ahmed, uh, his illustration, which he has shown us that what are the difference between old syntax and the new syntax. We showed you this thing in the previous video. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about the concatenation. These are also simplified. The old text in text and the old coding practices was that you declare the variable type and their value, and then in the third variable you take the two variables concatenated into the third variable, right? So all these are now uh, enhanced, improved. The improved way of coding is that all you need to do is declare the variable one, declare the variable two with the value, and then declare the resulting value, the result, the third variable, right? Without any concatenation and into and all you need to do is use the pipe. Yeah, the pipe string starting, pipe string closing, and within the curly braces, you write, keep on writing the strings you which you want to concatenate. So simple. Variable one, variable two, concatenated into the variable three. So the key improvement is that the string template operator has been used with the piping, right? And the new syntax. This allows the more intuitive and readable yeah, concatenation, right? Okay, let's do it practically in the SAP right now, okay? So that we see how it is done, right? So we have written for this, we have taken the Mara as a basis. We made a copy of this Mara program, and we have created a new one. We can also create a new one for you, but since we have created it, it's very simple, right? You can you enter the module for which you are writing the program, description of the program, and the the name of the program following the naming convention, right? And then the T code, let's see, 38. Okay. Hey, so then in the start, we we first of all log on to the SAP, right? So you are logged on into the SAP, making sure that you have only one section, right? Okay. And now we get back to SAP to the Excel, and we execute. When we click execute, it takes all these parameters, and then there is a common execute procedure that works on all these given information. Let's click. So it is now executing SE38. It has executed the report in which the two fields, the material type and material group, are concatenated. Right? Okay. So the same program which we use, it's the same style, and in previous video, we showed you how you can declare the variable without mentioning that which type it is. Since you are using the equal to sign and the value of it, so the system will automatically assign it the value, the type of the variable on the basis of the value. The value is integer, so it will declare it as integer. Okay, then the tables. here we use the Mara, and in Mara we know that using the object browser, we table browser, data browser, we identified that these are the two fields in the Mara table which may be concatenated and which may be used. Okay, so the key field is the Mara Metner, right? And here is the exactly that thing which was shown to you, that how to concatenate. Simplified way of concatenating is that use these well in the outer and in the inner part you use the curly braces to identify the fields. Right? So these two fields of yeah, these are joined together through the concatenation template, right? And this will keep on entering doing it. This is the serial number. This character, the slash forward slash will do the line feed within this loop. This is the select loop, right? With every it will start from the first record and with the line feed, right? And it will display all the materials in the number and their material type and material group, right? Let's execute it again so that we that's the thing. Yeah, so this is how the concatenation is simplified in the latest uh, coding practices introduced in the SAP. Well, uh, we will be coming up with more with on the basis of some presentation by Imad. Yeah, the seminar Imad has presented it wonderfully. Yeah, so this is some Imad presentation, and we have covered it this, and then next we can proceed to the next one. So there are a few more, and we will practically show you how this can be tried and using SE38. Okay, thank you very much for watching.
So this is a multiple choice question for this uh, chapter, ABAP coding. So the question is, what is the result of the statement, the chalk bar equal to this concatenation bar, then chalk, and bar. Okay, so this mm, concatenation bar is stop, terminated, and full stop, right? So what this is the ABAP statement. What is the result of this statement if the value of the chalk is chalk and the value of bar is bar, chalk bar? Okay, so will it be yes chalk bar? No, because these are capital. These this is written on the chalk. It's wrong because there is a chalk and K is also there and plus is all are capital. So this cannot be the answer. And chalk bar, a bar chalk can't be this because the chalk and N bar. So this is chalk bar is equal to the chalk bar. Yeah, this is more. This is the appropriate one. This is the right answer. And this is there will not be an error in this one. This is the right statement. No chance of this error. But this is the right answer. Thank you very much for watching.